never again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.
Hey guys, it's the girl back with another video. And before we get into this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the Forever Fam or Forever Squad. Comment down below what should I name you guys. So we're almost at 200 subscribers. I think I want to do a giveaway. I think I should do a giveaway when I reach 200 subscribers, but I don't know what. But I think I will. Yeah, because that's 200 subscribers. Like, anything is better than nothing. So I think I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 200 subscribers. So today is just a in the house day. Nothing really is going on today. So, oh, and welcome to the Forever Squad, new people or people that's just viewing now. Okay, so I'm not really doing much today, but I have a mini clothing haul or a clothing haul that I will be doing. Probably a clothing haul slash try on haul. And Wednesday I will be going to the mall, so you guys will probably be coming with me. And I said that the reason why I haven't been vlogging is because the weather has been great. In yesterday's vlog I told you guys that the weather hasn't been great, but today it's actually not raining, which is good, and I hope it stays like this for the whole entire week. Yeah, so it's not raining, but I just don't have anything doing today. I think I want to do one of Bob Ross paintings. If you guys don't know who Bob Ross is, just type in his name on YouTube and you'll see his videos. He's a great painter. So I think I'll do one of those. But I just have to get painting supplies and stuff like that. What else do I have planned for you guys? We'll be going to the mall, so I'll probably get things. I don't know if I want to do the giveaway, but I'll figure out it. I'll know by Wednesday, and I'll tell you guys by Wednesday if we're going to do the giveaway. So there's nothing really much interesting going on right now. It is on fleek though. So I already told you guys I wasn't doing any special thing today because there's nothing to do today. So tomorrow I'm sure about Wednesday's vlog, and as I said, I'm thinking about the giveaway, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Go follow me on my Instagram. I post on my Instagram, so go follow me at Nella_forever2 and like, comment, and subscribe. Today was boring, but you never know what can happen tomorrow.